In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to log in into Snapchat without a verification code. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website account.snapchat.com. Now go ahead and provide the credentials. Type in the username or the email address, or also you can use the phone number. Then click on Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password. Click on Forgot Password. Now you'll be receiving code in the phone number or the email address that is linked with your account. So you'll need to type in that code over here. If you don't get the code, click on the option Need Help. Now here you're gonna find different options. Scroll and select the option Contact Us. Now here you will need to select the option My account is compromised. Then scrolling down, you will need to fill out this form. Enter your username, email and the phone number and describe your issue. Snapchat support usually responds within a day or two. And that's it. That's how you can log into Snapchat without a verification code. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.